In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create chunky 3D letters in Figma using a plugin to quickly add depth and dimension to your text. Start by opening your Figma file and adding the text you want to turn into a 3D design. Select the text tool, click on the canvas, and type your word or phrase. Choose a bold font for the best chunky 3D effect. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type oblique and open the plugin from the results. Once the plugin launches, select your text layer and use the controls inside the plugin to create a 3D effect. Adjust settings such as depth, thickness, angle, and perspective until you achieve the chunky look you want. You can also customize the colors and styling to match your design. Try experimenting with different depth values and font weights to create unique results. After you're happy with the effect, position your 3D text on the canvas and make any final design adjustments. You can repeat the same process with different words, fonts, and colors to create eye-catching titles, posters, thumbnails, or social media graphics. And that's it! You've successfully created chunky 3D letters in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.